Welcome to Factory Prodbscl. Today, we explore the fascinating industrial journey of transforming raw soybeans into golden liquid oil for kitchens. The story begins on vast agricultural fields, where premium soybean crops are carefully nurtured before reaching their peak nutritional harvest stage. Heavy transport trucks arrive at the factory gates carrying tons of raw beans destined for our sophisticated modern processing plant facility. The raw material is immediately transferred onto automated conveyor systems that transport the beans into large vertical steel storage silos. Precision vibrating screens work tirelessly to remove unwanted debris like dirt and small stones, ensuring only the best beans proceed. Next, powerful industrial air jets blast away dry leaves and light organic husks to prepare the beans for further cleaning stages. The beans enter a specialized high-temperature drying chamber, where moisture levels are carefully controlled to meet strict production quality standards. Cleaned and dried soybeans now glisten as they move along the polished conveyor lines, awaiting the next phase of mechanical processing. Advanced optical sensors scan every single bean to identify and eject any discolored or damaged items, maintaining high purity levels daily. The pure beans are gathered in intermediate hoppers, preparing for the crucial mechanical crushing phase that happens inside the factory halls. Industrial dehulling machines spin rapidly to strip away the tough outer shells, leaving the nutrient-dense kernels ready for deep processing. These discarded husks are collected efficiently for use as high-quality agricultural animal feed, maximizing the value of every raw material. Dehulled kernels fall into heavy-duty crushing machines that break them into small fragments, increasing the surface area for later extraction. The crushing mill uses sharp blades to create uniform fragments, ensuring the extraction process will be as efficient as possible today. These crushed fragments move along the conveyor belts toward the heating units, preparing the material for the upcoming oil extraction phase. Controlled heating is applied to the crushed pieces, which helps optimize the natural oil release during the complex solvent extraction stage. A flaking machine presses the warm fragments into thin uniform layers to ensure that the solvent can penetrate them with ease. These thin flakes are now perfectly prepared to meet the chemical solvent that will pull every drop of oil from them. Sophisticated network of stainless steel pipes introduces hexane solvent into the extraction chamber to begin the critical oil separation process. Inside the massive extraction chamber, internal paddles stir the mixture, constantly ensuring that the solvent captures all available soybean oil effectively. The mixture of oil and solvent flows out through fine filters, leaving behind the solid meal, which is then processed separately. A specialized distillation unit uses high heat to evaporate the solvent, which is then captured and recycled for future extraction cycles. The resulting crude soybean oil has a dark color and is pumped into storage tanks, awaiting the intensive refining process ahead. The extracted meal passes through a dissolventizer machine to remove any trace amounts of hexane, ensuring the highest safety for consumers. This dry meal is ground into a fine powder, providing a protein-rich ingredient for the global livestock and poultry industries. This raw crude oil still contains impurities that must be removed through a series of precise chemical and physical refining steps. The degumming stage begins by adding water and acid to the oil, which helps separate natural gums and unwanted phosphorus compounds. A high-speed centrifuge spins the mixture, separating the heavy impurities from the lighter oil based on their specific physical density. The oil is now degummed and appears slightly clearer, though it still requires further treatment to reach the desired purity level. Next is the neutralization phase, where alkali is added to convert free fatty acids into soap stock for easy mechanical removal. The soap stock is carefully separated from the neutral oil in large settling tanks where gravity assists in the final purification. The oil now moves to the bleaching station, where activated earth is mixed in to absorb pigments for a brighter color. A filter press removes the bleaching earth from the oil, leaving behind a bright and clear liquid ready for the finish. In the final refining step, steam stripping inside a vacuum tower removes volatile compounds that could affect the oil's neutral flavor. The refined soybean oil now flows with brilliant golden clarity, representing the highest standards of quality in the modern food industry. The oil is cooled and polished through a final filter, to ensure absolute purity before it reaches the automatic bottling department. In the bottling area, high-speed machines blow plastic preforms into perfectly shaped bottles, ready to be filled with fresh oil. The empty bottles travel along a conveyor belt toward the filling station, where they will be filled with the refined oil. Automated filling nozzles pour the exact amount of oil into each bottle with incredible speed and precision to ensure consistent volume. A capping machine secures each bottle with a tight seal, ensuring that the product remains fresh and safe during final transport. The labeling machine applies brand stickers to the bottles with perfect alignment, adding the final professional touch to our product packaging. Each bottle receives a clear production date and batch code, ensuring full traceability for quality assurance and customer safety and trust. An automated inspection system checks for any defects and rejects bottles that do not meet our rigorous quality control standards today. A robotic arm carefully packs the finished bottles into cardboard boxes, preparing them for distribution to markets across the entire country. The boxes are sealed with strong adhesive tape, ensuring that the contents remain safe during the long journey to the stores. Robotic systems stack the boxes onto pallets in a perfect arrangement for easy transport and organized storage in our large warehouse. A skilled forklift operator moves the pallets into the warehouse where they wait for shipment to grocery stores and local distributors. The label clearly displays nutritional information and quality standards, reminding consumers why this oil is a healthy choice for their families. Transport trucks depart from our facility, loaded with the final product ready to reach shelves in homes across the whole nation. Our oil finally reaches the supermarket shelves, where it is ready to be chosen by consumers for their daily healthy cooking. A happy shopper picks up a bottle of our soybean oil, knowing they have selected a high-quality product for home. The oil is poured into a hot pan, starting the culinary process that brings delicious flavors to meals in every home. Watch as the oil helps create perfect textures and delicious results, making every meal a celebration of health and great taste. A happy family enjoys a meal together, sharing the goodness that started as simple soybeans on a faraway green field. The scale of our factory highlights the incredible technology and human effort required to bring this essential product to your table. Dedicated engineers monitor the production flow in real time, ensuring safety and consistency are maintained at every single step of manufacturing. Advanced filtration technology uses automated valves to regulate the flow of oil during the final purification process inside our modern facility. These golden beans are the foundation of our work, representing the natural beauty and nutritional potential of the humble soybean crop. The production lines run continuously, demonstrating the efficiency of modern industrial systems designed to serve millions of people around the world. Morning light illuminates the factory floor, where science and technology combine to create a product that is essential for human nutrition. Rhythmic robotic motions ensure that every box is stacked perfectly for safe distribution to grocery stores located in every single city. The smooth flow of refined oil into each bottle symbolizes the precision and care that we put into every single batch. Precision engineering ensures that every cap is tightened to perfection, guaranteeing that the freshness of the oil is preserved for everyone. Quality control experts conduct rigorous tests in our laboratories to confirm that the oil meets the highest purity and safety standards. Our digital simulations help us optimize the extraction process, ensuring that we get the best yield from every single soybean batch. Loading the final product onto trucks is the last step in our industrial journey before the oil reaches your local market. From our factory to your local grocery store, our commitment to quality ensures that you receive the best oil for cooking. The versatility of our refined soybean oil makes it a staple in kitchens everywhere, helping you create nutritious and tasty meals. We hope this look behind the scenes has shown you the care and technology behind every bottle of our golden oil. Thank you for watching this journey with Factory Prodbscl, and we hope to see you again soon in our next video. Goodbye.